guys, we have a special delivery of 2 huge eggs brought in on a fire truck. We have a frozen surprise egg, and it's really big. Let's see what we have in there. Then we're gonna open up a Spider-Man surprise egg. All right. Sit here on the fire truck while we do the frozen egg. Wow, this is a serious egg, guys. It's really heavy. It's so stuffed. Let's see what we have inside. Looks like we have a bunch of goodies. We have a pink castle lollipop with Olaf on one side. Looks yummy. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, look at all this candy. 4 Princess Elsa candy castles. They look really good. Put them down here next to Olaf. And we have Princess Anna jelly beans. Let's see how many packs of jelly beans we have. So that's 1, 2, 3 packs of yummy frozen jelly beans. Put them here to the side. Let's see what else we find. 2 more strawberry castle lollipops with Olaf on the one side. Oh, and 1 more pack of the Princess Anna jelly beans. All right. Okay, Spider-Man, we didn't forget about you. Let's see what you have. So, you guys ready? Another really heavy, super stuffed egg. I think we have some tape on the top. Get rid of it so we can open up our egg. Okay guys, let's see. Lots of stuff in this one too. So let's separate them. We're gonna have some Spider-Man lollipops, some jelly beans, and let's separate them. Here we go. Get them all. So we have 1, 2, 3 delicious strawberry lollipops. Spider-Man on the front. Put him there. We have sour candy packs. 1, 2, 3, 4 Spider-Man sour candy packs. And of course, we have the jelly beans. All right, let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at all these delicious treats we have. All right. Off to the side. Thanks for coming, Mr. Fire Truck, with our surprise eggs. Wait a second, somebody's inside. Who do we have inside the fire truck? Hi, Bob. Hey guys, look, it's Bob the Builder. How you doing, Bob? Bob tells me there's someone on the other side of the truck. Let's turn the truck around and see who else we can find in here. Open up the drawer. Look guys, it's Patty. He's the little troll from Frozen. He's joining the gang on the fire truck. Hey Patty. And we have purple pony. Very cute. We'll leave you to hang out with the guys and the candy. And that's it for this time. Thanks for watching, girls or boys. See you next time.